lowered my cholesterol. Yeah, I lowered my cholesterol. Lowered my cholesterol.
In case you haven't already heard the news, Honey Nut Cheerios can help lower your cholesterol as part of a heart-healthy diet and with its sweet honey taste. That ought to make you really happy.
Hi, I lowered my cholesterol.
Honey Nut Cheerios. Be happy.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Washington Emergency Management Agency, Seattle, Washington. All residents in Seattle are under a mandatory evacuation. This evacuation is being issued for your safety. An intense and dire situation is ongoing in the Seattle metropolitan area. Extremely powerful wind gusts along with large wildfires have been confirmed and are rapidly spreading throughout the metropolitan area, causing numerous fatalities and injuries. In addition to this situation, these fires are reported to quickly burn down buildings and humans within less than a minute. The cause of these extreme wind gusts and wildfires are currently unknown at this time. Do not go into contact with these fires as they will most certainly cause severe injury or death. Remain tuned for more information on this extreme situation.
Not quite 187. And I'm kind of...